Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Human skeleton. This is axial skeleton. We see skull, spine, rib cage, sternum, clavicle and scapula. In axial skeleton, we see skull, which has 22 bones, and in spinal column we see 26 bones, 7 cervical vertebrae, 12 thoracic vertebrae, 5 lumbar vertebrae, and 5 fused sacral vertebrae, and 4 fused coccyx or coccygeal vertebrae. Thoracic cage has 12 pair of the ribs on either side, so there will be total of the 24 ribs, and there is one sternum. Here we see this is cervical spine, which has 7 cervical vertebrae in the neck, 12 dorsal or thoracic vertebrae in the region of chest, and this is abdominal region, which shows 5 lumbar vertebrae, and this is the area of the low back as well. Here we see this is sacrum. This is the midline region of the buttocks, and coccyx, which is a tailbone. Here we see this is sacrum, and this one is coccyx. Interior view. Axial skeleton, the vertebrae are arranged in a cylindrical column, interspersed with fibrocartilaginous disc. Function of the axial skeleton: strong and flexible support for the body and the ability to keep the body erect. Point of the attachment for the muscles of the back. Protects the spinal cord and the nerves. Absorbs shock through the intervertebral discs. Thoracic cage has 12 pair of the ribs and sternum. This is sternum, and here we see 12 ribs on right side and 12 ribs on left side. From 1 to 7 we see 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. From 1 to 7 are the true ribs, and from 8 to 10 are the false ribs, and from 11 to 12, that is the last 2, are floating ribs. And here we see cartilaginous portion of the ribs. This interiormost portion of the thoracic cage, this is called sternum. Breastbone, 3 fused bones, the clavicles, and 1 to 7 ribs. Articulates with the sternum. So sternum, this red bone, articulates with 7 ribs from 1 to 7, while 8 to 10 ribs indirectly articulates with the sternum, so they unite with a single bar of the cartilage. So 8, 9 and 10. So these are atypical or we can say false ribs, which unites indirectly and articulate with the sternum, while 11 and 12 ribs do not articulate with the sternum. That's why they are called floating ribs. Thank you very much. Assalamu alaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.